guys, what's up? So welcome back to our vlog again. And our video today is a little bit different. It's a little bit different guys because mag-unbox ta. Wabo kita sulod ani guys. Ako pala siyang gitangtang sa katong karton nga usa kay kasi may COVID dito. So yeah, tuwa pa na ako siya giablihan and we're gonna open it together. So yeah, let's start guys. So kuha na siya guys. It's a Jordan. It's a Jordan shoes. Jordan 1 low. And that's my size right there. Size 8.5. And napalit na ko siya og $150. And kuha, naabot siya mga 3 days ra na siya kadali. So karon guys, nakatay lang natin doon computeran nila. So yeah, let's go open this. Nindot pa rin, no? So yeah, let's go open it guys. Paano ko siya nakitaan? Ooh, look at that. You see that? You see that? So it's red and black. It's a Jordan 1. May di na ako siya sa katong nagsimay na nagmaydi ko ni guys kung paliton ba na ako or not. But then I decided to buy it. And this is the shoes guys. So it's nice. We don't need this box anymore. Thumbnail. So yeah, this is the shoes guys. This is the shoes guys. Is it nice? Hindi pa guys. Let you guys know. Pero dito na ko suoton. Okay. May laang. So yes, add to the collection. Guys, so nice guys ha. Atong sundi guys, atong isukod. So tanawon sa nato kung unsay naani sa patusa. So ipakita na ko ni guys na may naani kasi. So yeah, look. It's red and black. Jordan 1 low. It's the name, the colorway is Jordan 1 low reverse bred. Nabuhat na inani nga, ako inani nga sapatos, but nabiyaan mo sa Pinas. I got the high one. Nasa Pinas and it's this color right here. So karon guys, magkuhan na tawag sapatos pero may mag-unboxing na to pero may mag-vlog po tag mga unboxing. Okay. Yeah, di mo ta pwede matug shopping or magmamalit sa gawa. So unboxing, deliver, so mag-vlog ta. So yeah, I get the shoes, the lapa-lapa. See that guys? It's nice, eh? Jordan 1. What do you guys think? So, God, it's been a while since I bought the shoes. So, yeah. So, karon guys, since nakita na mo sa full side sa shoes, full sa shoes, so yeah, let's go throw it on.
hard for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do it.
So guys, nakita na ano sa on feet no. So yeah, mukha na siya guys. Ang gisod siya karon guys oh. Naara ko ilakati dun ka magtambay. So yeah. So dili lang ko to butong unboxing guys kay balik na ko sa mua. And mag-module na ko. Kay kuan ano man ko niya to eskwelahan kay like na kayo COVID diri sa amuang barangay. So module na ako. So, yeah, hanggang dito na lang guys. And kita-kits tayo sa next vlog or sa itong vlog na mauna-unaan or could be unboxing again. Might be shoes again. I'm just kidding. So, yeah, see you next time guys. Thanks for watching. And I hope you like the video. So, bye.
It's hard for me to say you love.